Your home is our inspiration. The citizen has the right to be ensured of the strength of his national economy, his future, and the safety of his food and environment. KISR, since its establishment, has placed these issues among its priorities and used its scientific expertise to achieve national development according to sound, established scientific and technological principles. KISR's activities and research achievements are visible in the citizens' daily dealings with the country's many institutions and governmental and private authorities. As oil is considered the backbone of the national economy, KISR has given its petroleum and petrochemical programs considerable importance through its cooperation with the petroleum sector. The Division of Petroleum, Petrochemicals and Materials offers newly developed technological means of development for both the production and refining processes, and is preparing to establish the necessary facilities to achieve the latest developments in the petrochemical industry. To enhance the process of oil refining, KISR has carried out intensive studies in the field of catalysts and developed a patented technique that allows catalyst ROIs, which reduces the cost of importing such material from abroad and is a means by which dependence is gradually referred to nationally manufactured products. The petroleum program has also supplied successful solutions to many problems of corrosion in oil, industrial and refinery installations, which will reduce the cost of repair and maintenance. KISR has prepared an aerial map of corrosion that covers the entire country. By analyzing this map, the main causes of corrosion can be identified and suitable solutions can then be provided. KISR, in cooperation with KOC, is working on a number of research projects and laboratory and field studies aimed at presenting technical and scientific support for discovery, production and development, thus enhancing the production capacity of Kuwait's oil reservoirs and solving operations and other problems in the oil field. The geology laboratory at KISR provides support and technical services to research related to crude oil production and oil reservoirs. KISR has established a pilot plant which includes a small refinery to carry out different tests to support the petroleum refinery sector. The pilot plant unit can also be used to support the work of KOC, since with it, KISR possesses modern facilities for petroleum cracking and can perform hydrogenic processes related to oil residues and derivatives. Food security is among KISR's highest priorities. So how has KISR managed to confront this issue in Kuwait's semi-arid environment? And how has KISR managed to use scientific developments to enhance the country's capabilities in this area? The Division of Food Resources has worked on the development of the country's plant and animal food resources through biotechnology and genetic engineering, with an eye to beautifying the natural environment in Kuwait. KISR has successfully used tissue culture technology and now has the capability of producing 3,000 date palms a month, which will enhance the production of this very important resource. KISR has also studied the subject of hygienic control. Various tests and studies are applied regularly to ensure food safety. Food analysis to define nutrient values and their relation to chronic illnesses are also among KISR's interests. Since fish is considered a major and preferred food in Kuwait, a special program on marine aquaculture and fish resources has been organized. KISR was the first organization to conduct studies on Zubaydi aquaculture. This will ensure the availability of this fish year-round at a reasonable price. KISR has also successfully cultured Zubaydi and Hamur. Bulti is now produced in the clover farms in Al Wafra. KISR also possesses hatcheries for producing fish larvae on a commercial basis, with laboratories for producing larvae feed throughout the year. There is a special laboratory to determine fish age, which will contribute to the successful management of fish stocks in Kuwait. KISR was the first organization in the region to organize techniques for successful shrimp fishing. KISR's researchers carried out detailed studies on the whereabouts of coral reefs and the means of their protection. KISR researchers have successfully carried out in vitro fertilization using local Naimi embryos. The objective was to improve the hereditary characteristics of local sheep livestock. Several projects on chickens and layers for the Kuwait Poultry Company are also ongoing. KISR has used biological techniques in the treatment of its oil lakes. KISR's researchers have managed to treat more than 40,000 tons of oil-polluted soil. All this relates to KISR's production role, but what about that of beautification? Tissue culture technology has been effective in implementing the National Greenery Plan. KISR prepared the design and the artistic vision to be executed in cooperation and coordination with the Public Authority for Agricultural Affairs and Fisheries Resources. The initial outcome of this plan is evident along the Airport Road, Newspaper Street, Arabian Gulf Road and some other major and minor roads. KISR, in implementing this greenery plan, used plants suitable to the local climate and developed some imported species to withstand the local weather conditions.